Yesterday, Nielsen released their total TV and streaming snapshot for the month of September. Here's how you can use the report to predict stock price movements. Netflix stock, for example, was down about 10% today off of weak Q3 earnings last night. Investors and analysts were somewhat concerned that Netflix needs to find a way to keep existing customers spending more time on the service. Netflix came in at about 8.3% of total TV watch time. That was up a modest 5% year over year. For the past 6 months, I've been pointing out that Netflix has had difficulty cracking a 9% threshold. While linear was down 8% year over year for September, cable was down 15%, and they lost about 4 percentage points going from a 26% share to 22% share. Can you guess which service had the largest year-over-year growth? It was YouTube, coming in at 12.6% of total TV viewing. That was up 19% year-over-year. Google is not just an AI stock. YouTube is a big driver of the company's outperformance. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Substack, and stay tuned for more from Accrued Interest.